Ublalotak, Conwick Pizzy. Today is Tuesday. What day? All day today. Let's be responsible. Always try, do our best, cooperate with each other, and let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. With a new day comes a new topic for us all to dive into this week. And with that said, today's topic is mistakes. Take a moment and think. Have you ever made a mistake? Here to help us today with this topic is none other than our very own Granny Sumptions. It's good to see you again, Granny Sumptions.
I'm always glad to be of help.
Now, with Granny Sumption's help, let's take a moment and imagine some mistakes.
Okay, here. Count the thoughts. Thoughts. Look at that. I made a mistake.
There are so many kinds of mistakes we can make, like the one Granny Sumptions just demonstrated when she said thoughts instead of thoughts. So here are some other mistakes. We can make mistakes in math. Imagine you're adding 2 plus 2. And then boom, we get 5 instead of 4. There are other mistakes we can make when we're fixing our hair. And sometimes our hair just looks so crazy.
Uh-oh. These mistakes are good. Good example.
There are mistakes we can make with our words. Like if I were to talk to Granny Sumptions and say, "Hi, Bob."
My name's Granny Sumptions.
I know, Granny. I'm just making an example of a mistake.
Good, as long as you know I am Granny Sumptions.
Okay, I know your Granny Sumptions. Now next, sometimes we can make mistakes with our actions. Like if we accidentally drop a cup and it breaks. That could be a mistake. So tell me, have you ever made a mistake? Now, I'm sure there's a lot of heads out there shaking saying yes, because I know I've made a few mistakes in my life.
Really? Can you tell me one mistake?
I sure can, Granny Sumptions. I remember one time when I thought I left my phone at the school. I looked everywhere for it, and just about the time I was ready to take a break from the search, I put my hand in my jacket pocket, and there it was, my phone.
I've done that one before too.
So here's the challenge for today. See if anyone in the classroom can remember ever making a mistake. You might even ask your teacher or other school staff if they ever made a mistake.
It's important to remember that we can always learn from our mistakes.
You're right, Granny Sumptions. So let's find out if any of us have made mistakes today. And good luck while you have these fun conversations. And with that said, I hope everyone has a terrific Tuesday.